Organic vegetable. Rice, baby. Hello! 1, 2, 3. So excited. We even got it. Hello, it's Monday and today is Tokyo's baby class play or baby play class. Whatever. And we're here in BGC having breakfast while also Tokyo's having her own breakfast. Ate Cory is with us. Hello. Yeah, it's nice because as we're working right now. The class doesn't start until 8:30 a.m. So it's nice to get things going, work a little, and then do the play class. So that's why we're very happy that Ate Cory is with us. I do have a lot of things to do today because it's Monday, so I need to check like some emails and all. And another agenda that I have for this week is to prepare for Tokyo's first birthday. I know it's not until like 2 months from now, but it's just better to plan ahead than cram. So if you guys know any good suppliers for a baby's birthday party event, please comment below because I need that help. Yummy. You're snacking. You woke up so early, huh, my love? I just hope that you have the energy, no? Yeah. I just hope you have the energy for today's class. Why? What? You want buhat? Okay, sige. Good morning and welcome to our kitchen. So after the walk, I need to prepare Tokyo's lunch. She already had her breakfast, which was yogurt and bananas. So for her lunch is organic vegetables. I just bought them from the grocery store. And Norwegian salmon. I'm gonna cook it all together with rice. Also organic. All of the ingredients that I will be using today has been tested that Tokyo has no allergies with these, so we're good. I've been also doing this for quite a while, but this is my first time to actually show it to you because some of the moms, especially first time moms, are interested in what I cook for Tokyo. So if you find it interesting, let me know. I can probably share more recipes. I'm also gonna be sauteing this with garlic and onions, and I'll be using avocado oil. Slowly I'm transitioning in giving food to Tokyo that has a lot of ingredients, so it's more tasty, but I still don't use salt. I think it's just the flavors, the natural flavors that she will be tasting from the ingredients, diba? Okay, so let's get it. As I'm waiting for Tokyo's food to get cooked, I need to do some emails. This is one thing that I do as a stay-at-home mom. I'm also work-from-home mom. So whenever I get the chance, while Tokyo is either sleeping or with the ates, I work on the stuff that we need for Dream Philippine Tours and also our upcoming trips. This is actually my agenda for today, is to finish our itinerary for our upcoming family trip this March. And not gonna lie, this place is like, I thought it's gonna be easy, but there are some trains, there are some establishments that does not allow kids under 6 years old, and I really need to get like thoroughly read their guidelines or things that we need to know before booking these activities, if that makes sense. So those are the things that now I be well aware of now that we're traveling as a family. Is the place child friendly or baby friendly? Or is the hotel a non-smoking hotel? Is it close to a train, or is it close to a train station, or is it easy to get around that area? So a lot of things, definitely different from the way we plan our itinerary when it was only me and Martin. But now we're considering things like, is it stroller friendly? Are there elevators? Is Tokyo going to be, you know, cold in this area? So those are the things that I need to be aware of before planning our trip. And yeah, let's see if I can finish it today, because not a lot of the vlogs that I'm watching and the blogs that I'm reading does not really indicate if it's a family friendly place. So we're gonna change that. I will be that vlogger. I will be that mom. Lunchtime with Mama. Mama's gonna have chicken tinola while Tokyo's having salmon and rice and veggies. Yes, you like it? Yay! Okay, very good. You want to hold it? Mama will feed you. Salmon, your favorite. A little bit lang muna. Sige, you wanna eat by hand? We like salmon. Okay. Yummy. Yummy. Ay, sarap. Rice, baby. Dun. Rice, baby. Slowly. Yummy. Oh, wow, galing naman. Mama will also have her rice. Rice din, oh. Oh, rice din yung kay Mami. Small muna. Tapos sabay tayo mag-eat. Yes, small. Yeah, you like? Oh, look at Mami. Okay, you want to hold it on your own. So this is a little bit bigger than her usual food, diba? Because Mama didn't smash it this time. Now we're learning how to swallow bigger food, such as rice. Yes. Yeah. Okay. You want to hold? Oh, sige na nga. Okay. You want to do it on your own? Okay. Oh, look at Mommy. It's like this, oh. Very good. Oh, yan na. May spoon ka na, ha? Feed you salmon. Okay? Published the Liwa Zambales vlog. Papa's watching it for the first time.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's my favorite time of the week when I'm publishing new vlog.
Thank you. Also, I got this bouquet of flowers from Lovely Creative. I can't wait because I'm also going to book them for Tokyo's first birthday. I'm gonna show you what we got from the garage sale today. It's already been cleaned and sanitized. Hello, my baby. Do you like your new chair? Oh, you're eating. Hi! Ang galing naman. So, this is nice so that you can get used to eating here in your new table. You like your new table? I got her this pads because she's been crawling a lot, and what we noticed is that her knees are starting to get red and dark. No, bebe? Oh, hi! Hello! Wanna say hi to the vlog? Hi! Hello! Hi! You wanna say hi to the vlog? Mama just showered. Does Mama smell good now? Yeah. Hug. Does Mama smell good now? Just like Tokyo? Yes. Hello. You wanna say hi to them? Welcome to another vlog. Hi everyone. I was just chilling with Ate Cory. Yeah, in my new table. Yes. Okay, you wanna show them your table? Well, that's her table that we got from the garage sale. And this is the organizer. The shelf. Ayan o, look. With these characters. It's so cute. It's already been cleaned and sanitized. It's nice because her playroom is starting to come along. Tapos na si Mommy mag-shower and mag-work. And then today, Lolo, Lola, and Tita Lolas are coming to visit us for lunch. So I just learned that this is called cruising. When your baby still don't know how to walk on her own and she needs to parang have a guide or hold something so that she can walk, it's called cruising. Okay? Oh, sige. Stand up nga. Stand up. Show them. Oy, galing. You're so good at standing up na. Hi! So, hi! Hi, everyone! I'm having fun with my new table. Can you say what we did? What did we do earlier? We played on your table with Papa. I noticed that she can also copy a lot of things now, like ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti. Sometimes she sings that with me. Ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti. Oh, okay. She's also very good at falling na, no? Ang galing mo nang malaglag, ah. Ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ti, ta-ta-ta-ta. Ang kulit, ang kulit. Oh. Grabe. Ang saya-saya naman talaga ng anak ko niya palagi. Oh, beautiful eyes. Oh, beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Bakit parang naging gremlin? Di ba si Hello Kitty cute? Ba't naging gremlin ka? Joke lang, joke lang. Oh, careful. Careful. Wow! You saw that the door was open, ha? Galing talaga. You wanna go outside? Okay. Let's go outside of your playroom. Bye-bye! 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 Ate Jovi helped us to cut this banana leaf from our backyard because my parents are coming and they said they want to do a boodle fight. So I don't actually know if they want it plated or just like the legit, like authentic boodle fight. Today is also a sunny day because it's been raining for the couple of days, so it's nice to see the sun finally shining for us. Today we're just gonna take it slow because it's the weekend and tomorrow is a hectic day, so I'm gonna take advantage of the calmness. You know what I mean? Hello!
Hi! Hi! What's up, brother? Where's Tokyo?
How's Tokyo?
She's okay.
Hi!
Did you know she was gonna come?
No.
I didn't know. Surprise!
I'm more excited.
Oh,
Hello! So we need to remove this because it's the legit boodle fight.
Hey!
Okay, we need to remove these. Oh, wow! We got veggies. Ay, hindi pansit pala to.
Yes, it's
Pansit.
Kaya lang more on
Shrimp.
veggies.
Ano to? Chicken adobo. With
We have
pork
blue
ba yan?
rice.
Blue rice.
Chicken adobo
rice.
lang,
Chicken.
pork.
Chicken.
Chicken and pork.
Chicken and pork adobo.
Wow, the real deal. Boodle fight.
Yeah, they started from the hallowed grounds of the Philippine Military Academy, where you need to share the food. This was not banana leaf, but rather just newspaper.
Newspaper. Wow, back in the day.
So the purpose is, of course, everyone getting a share of something to eat.
Maybe even Tokyo gets a banana.
Yes.
Come
Pray.
on. Pray. In the name of the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Bless us, O Lord, and bless thy gifts.
About to receive bounty to Christ our Lord. Amen.
Okay, ready on the left?
Ready on the left?
Ready on the right?
Ready.
Go, butterfly!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yay! Yay! Na-surprise ako! Yeah, your mama's here.
Are you going to your room? You're going to your room? Bye-bye. Go to
Dami,
your room.
daming distractions. Sige, go. Mama's just here. Tama? 1, 2, 3, 4. More?
More?
Sige. More pa.
6. That's our 7th step.
Let's go po. Hey! We're done?
Wait.
We're done? More? Okay. Tama na. Tama na. Tignan mo naman to. Wow! Thank you. Garage sale find. We got Tokyo a lot of Barbie toys.
Look.
We even have a drum set.
Her playhouse has an elevator. I'm just saying.
We rented this truck from Hertz Philippines, by the way. And we even bought some Halloween decors for this year. At least we don't have to buy them anymore. Guys, see, Tokyo even has her own drum set now. I know it's still too early, but hey, it's a garage sale find. I think it's a good find. And all Barbie dolls too. Wow. I need to be at the back, you know, so I can make sure nothing comes off. It's just a short ride anyway. I'm so excited. We even got this couch for our bedroom. We're back at home. Tita Ninang is here. Hi. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Oh, how does it feel, Tita Ninang, to be taking care of Tokyo? Yes, she's in that stage now where all she wants to do is to cruise around. So, kailangan mo siyang habulin. Yeah. And also, she's not yet walking on her own. So, you have to carry her sometimes. Not carry, pero ano?
Oh, yeah.
Yan, oh. Sometimes she uses our hands. Tokyo likes to do a lot of independent play. Yeah. Actually, at this age, I just let her do her thing, and I'm usually here reading. Reading. No. Next thing we're learning is pulling and pushing. No? Pull and push. Very good. And push. Put it back. And push. Oh my gosh, you're so smart. Good job. And then push. Push. We can just like this, huh? Push. Okay, very good. Yeah, yes, you can hammer it down. Yeah, good job. What about this one? Okay, look at mama. Push. You push it inside. Very good. Okay. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, wow. Oh, very good. Oh, ayan. Oh, look at mama. Push. Push, push, push. See? So, these exercises are actually good for problem solving. So now she learned how to pull, and now she's also learning how to put it back. So it's a problem solving, no? Yeah. Good job! Yes! Okay. I think she's looking for another toy to play, no? Normally, she plays with it for 10-15 minutes. When she's done, she looks for another toy to play with. That's how babies are. Hug mama. Hug mommy. I love you. Thank you for the hug. Someone's learning how to go down the sofa. Yeah? Yeah, daddy. You're looking for daddy? Where's Dada? Where is Dada? Where is Dada? You're looking for Dada? Are you gonna learn how to go down? She's trying to. Which is nice because she doesn't want to just, go head first. I think she knows. Okay? Oh, sige. How do we go down from the sofa? Or do you wanna stand up? We're in the stage where all she wants to do is crawl, stand up, cruise, explore the house. Na 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 na. What are you going to do? Ah, you found your toys. Oh, put it back, anak. Good morning. Hi. Hello. Hello. Come to mama. Hey. Come to mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hey, everyone. Good morning. How was your sleep? Was it a good sleep? Okay. First thing she wants to do is to stand up. This is our mornings with Tokyo Amelia. Okay. Hi. Let's change your diapers first before you stand up. So I sleep right next to her. She just sleeps better when, she sleeps beside us than in her crib. This can be removed. I mean, the side of the crib can be removed. But you like to sleep beside Mama and Papa better, no? It just gets that longer sleep, which is good for her and for us. Let's change our diapers.
Hello, baby. Let's sing together.
To your ears and to your double. Can you give me a back? Can you try to be the bump? Like a continental shoulder to your ears. Wait, no.
Ears stick out. Can you waggle them about? Can you flip them up and down as you fly around the town? Can you shut them up for sure when you hear an awful door? Do your ears stick out?
With Mama and Tokyo Amelia. She woke up at wow, 6:30 today. That's late. Yes, you had a long sleep. I'm hearing what you dreamt. And we are out and about. Walking. No. Hi, baby. Tokyo Amelia. Good morning. My baby. When Papa is away, we're still going to walk. Hi. Good morning. It's so nice to walk these days because it's been really breezy. The weather's been nice. It's a little chilly. And it's not humid. This is why this time of the month is my favorite to travel around the Philippines because it's not that hot. Beaches are not as crowded. It rained rain. It doesn't rain often, but it still does. No? By the way, we got this stroller from Kosato and I really love it. It's also travel size, so I can't wait to use this when we go to a new country for Tokyo. No, it's nice because it also has like pockets where I can just put my phone and alcohol, things that I need right away. Tokyo also has this really nice print. I put her blanket and milk here. You wanna hold it yourself? Can you hold it yourself on your own? Those are just cars, my love. Look how big you are holding your own milk bottle. Oh, time flies. You're so chill, huh? This is the first time that Tokyo's holding her bottle while we're strolling. Let's see if she'll be able to finish her milk without dropping her milk bottle. Let's see. Small wins. I don't have to hold it anymore. Good job, my love.